I think. Hey, Red Bull Romaniacs is full of crazy hill climbs. Today I will work on my skills on 5 different hill climbs, and honestly the last one I'm not sure I will make it. Let's see. Okay, this is the first one. This is the warm-up before we hit the bigger ones. So it's not too long. Traction is okay. It's a bit of loose sand. I think it will be fine. I know everything looks really flat on camera, but it's a bit of a challenge. It's a perfect start. Okay, so this is hill climb number 2. It's slightly higher. It's more slippery. Up here there are quite a lot of rocks. Is it cheating to clean the trail before? Or okay, so it's quite slippery up. It's hard even to get up here by foot. Let's see. Okay, so this is hill climb number 2. I think I will make it if I just have the correct amount of momentum. Let's see. So that was the second one. It actually went a lot easier than I had thought. I was debating with myself if I should go in the first gear or second, but I went with the second gear, and it went just fine. Really good. Felt easier than the first one. Strange. Time for the third one, and it's located 3-4 minutes away. So I will put on my backpack and ride over there. Okay, so this is the third hill climb. I feel quite confident that this will be easy as well, since the last one was quite easy. Then I had 2 more. One a bit technical and one that I might not make. We'll see. So far I'm quite surprised about the capabilities of the 450MT. As long as you have the momentum with you, it's really, really good. So let's get on with it. Three out of 5 done. This one was actually hardest so far. It was really slippery, so the back wheel was all over the place, especially here at the beginning of the climb. So this climb is, I think this will be fine. The problem is this part. So the trail turns almost 90 degrees. So you come up over here, and then it's a quite sharp turn, and then it's really steep, the last part, and loose sand. So yeah, I think this could be the one that I fail on. This is an enduro trail, and the trail goes in the opposite direction. So you should come from there and go down here and out. But I will ride it from there up and over. Oh, I thought I had it. Up. I was really close on the first attempt. In the second attempt I was a bit scared, even if I don't hurt myself, and the traction was a lot less on the second attempt, since my back wheel already had put a lot of loose material down there. But I will make a new try, and when I have new tires on, and maybe at the spring when it's a bit more dry on the ground, I think I can get a bit of more traction. Then I think I will make it. So this is the last hill for today. And I know on camera it looks like nothing, but it will be a real challenge for me. This is not technical like the last one was. So the issue is that there is a small crest over here, so I can't go too fast. I think I need to hit that one in second gear and then downshift, like in the middle of the slope. I have no idea how this will go. If I feel that I can't make it, I will just lay down the bike and try to get my way down without injuring myself or destroying the bike. That was all 5. 4 pass, 1 fail. I'm pretty pleased with the day anyway, even if I failed on the 4th. So momentum is everything. Hope you have learned something today. Otherwise, hope you have found this entertaining. Don't forget to not subscribe. I'm trying to keep the channel small. See you in the next one. Ride safe.